for Fort Myers as Chang's first pitch is a fastball, called strike at 91 miles an hour. And we're off and running at 6:32 p.m. on this Wednesday evening in Bradenton. 0-1. Swinging a pop foul, first base side out of play. From left to right foul pole. 0-2, swing and a miss. First baseman who's got a big power bat. First pitch fastball is low at 92. 1-0. Swinging a loop foul, first pitch, a run scored in his first game. And 1-1, whiffs and misses out of break. Myers. 1-2. Swinging a slow tap. 1-2. Swinging a pop foul again for a Southeast Championship. And a 1-2. Sharp struck ball through the hole, past the diving Rivas and Castillo in the left field. Base hit for Aaron Sabato. A one-out single. Does the catching. First pitch from Chang. Righty set, 1-0. And a fastball lifted in the air, right field. Valdez started to his left, now trots in a few of 22. First pitch, swung on line right at Rivas. Didn't have to move a step. Right to the letter high, so they on this Wednesday night. Hung Lung Chang's first pitch, breaking ball over the heart of the plate. Single to Sabato in the first inning, that was it. 0-1. And a breaking ball, got on and missed at 0-2. That's high and in. 3 2/3. As a 1-2, cut on and miss for strike 3. Got him with the curve. Both of them were unearned though. First pitch fastball is at the kneecaps. Called for pitches then with the unearned runs on a couple errors. As the 0-1 shot foul. Righty set, the 0-2. Swinging a tapper foul behind. Righty set and lifts 0-2. Fastball higher. It's a 3.20 ERA last year. And the 1-2 is a called third strike. Ruiz backpedals out from the batter's box. 3 strikeouts for Hung Lung Chang. And 2. Righty-ready matchup. First pitch is a fastball upstairs for ball 1. For his best, moving to the bullpen. And the 1-0 breaking ball settles as Chang made his last start of the season in Fort Myers. And the 1-1 up, 5 innings. 2-1. Fastball cut on and missed up in the zone. Bradenton with 2 outs, the 2-2. Breaking ball, line foul, just found in front of, looking for one more, 2-2. Swing and a miss, strike 3, and Hung Lung Chang strikes out the side in order in the second inning. 4 punch outs total. Hitter batting left against the righter Chang. First pitch is a fastball high, and then Payne is a switch hitter. That's it. 1-0 fastball up and away. 2-0. And a curveball high, 3-0. Chang kicks 3-0. And a fastball just outside, ball 4. So Pena walks. Snaps a streak of 5 in a row, retired by Chang, who allowed just a single to Sabato in the first inning. That was the only man to reach until second last night as Chang tosses over to first. And boy, got caught leaning. Pena did first in all of minor league baseball and pickoffs. Bunt shown. Review. 1-0. Fastball struck well to deep right field. Valdez now starting back, twisting around, can't get there, and it carries up and over the bullpen into it. A ground rule double for Amari Daniel. Places runners at second and third with nobody out in the third. Valdez couldn't locate that ball at second, and Chang strides home. First pitch, a fastball, kneecap high call. He came in leading a number of categories. 0-1 line drive at third. Rivas dive to the bag, and they double him up. Single to left field his first time up, and takes a curveball in the dirt. Good. 1-0. And breaking ball misses in. 2-0. 2-0. Fastball high. 3-0. As he peeks to second, and Daniel. And a long wait, and now it's a pitch clock violation, and so Sabato's going to walk. Well, not the worst thing to happen there. You're behind 3-0, had an open base. And the guy in Sabato's got plenty of pop in the bat. Right now, 24 strikes. His first pitch is a curveball low. Spin and toss to second base is Tag applied by Gerald Toledo. You can start to see a mix up there in how many. 1-0. And a breaking ball. Called strike on the inner third. 1-1. Fastball, ground ball right side. Pass to diving Toledo into right center field. Base hit. Throw into center. Throw goes into third. As a run comes in to score. Fort Myers. Rain Don Cohen, the batter. Takes a fast. 0-1. Fastball struck well. 0-2. That's low. And the changeup 1-2. Don Cohen lined out to third. Rivas in the opening. Right now, Fort Myers has scored first. Runner in motion is swung on and missed for strike 3. Changeup. Got him swinging. 5th K for Hung Lung Chang, but not before. Run on 2 hits and 2 men left in now since 45 total pitches and 29 strikes. First pitch is a fastball run. Fort Myers 1-0 and down and in, miss. 18 total pitches, just 8 strikes. 2-0, sharp ground ball back up the middle. Fielded on a hop by Toledo behind the second base bag. Low throw and held on to by Alfonso at first. Ian Chang. 1-0 Fort Myers. First pitch fast. 1-0 and fast. 2-0 and that's hot. Ready, set, and kicks 3-0. Fastball there at the bottom of the knees, called strike. 1 strike, the pitch home. And fastball just a hair low for ball 4. Well, that is the 3rd walk of his outing today. That's a season high for him as well. Guy that doesn't walk normally that many. Steps in the right side. First pitch is a fastball to Winston-Salem Dash. The 1-0, and that's low. 2-0. Tim Rogers, now a member of the Greensboro Grasshoppers. And the 2-0 is up in purple, gray, and black. White Sox affiliate. Spinning a toss over to first base and a headlong dive. Ruiz back in safely. So I don't know if you just saw the colors yesterday. 3-0 is a called strike on the inner third. For the Marauders. 3-1. Popped up. Third base side. Rivas wheels back into fair territory. Makes the catch behind the bag. And 2 gone in the inning for Isak Pena. And now here comes Jim Horner from the first base dugout. That's going to do it for Hung Lung Chang as he falls just an out shy. Now completing 4 innings today. Pitching change underway. And top of the 4th inning, 1-0 Fort Myers. The runner